What is up, guys? In today's video, what I'm basically going to do, I'm going to respraying this whole thing black because it looks ugly and it's changing color and it's grey, and as you can see, it's just dirty. Look at all that soot, dirty. So yeah, basically I'm just going to be cleaning it up and respraying it. So let's get it. I'm going to be using elbow grease, all-purpose degreaser, to cut through the grease and the grime, and I'm also going to be using cream cleaner, which is right here, 80 pence. So yeah, let's get into it. I ain't got no sandpaper, so I'm just gonna be using a Scotch Brite to scrub it and agitate the surface so the primer can stick to something. So you want this to be sitting in hot water or the sun so it can get hot, so it can have a nice even coat. We're going to be using gloss black, grey primer, and my clear coat is upstairs. I need to go grab that. Okay, now we're going to spray the coat a bit more thicker. So yeah, also what the parts what you're going to do, make sure you focus on that. Put a bit more care into the parts that's actually going to be seen, like these ridges right here. So this part's going to be seen, this part and this part carving up. That's why there's that line what I was talking about, because beyond that nobody's really going to see it unless you jack up the car or even put it up on the lift. But I'm not too bothered about that. So yeah, let's do the second coat now. Basically, we want it to be baking in the sun right now. I kind of went heavy on the second coat, so the third coat I'm going to do it really light and touch up the areas which I've missed. But yeah, that's it so far. Also, remember to spray pay underneath where this part is, because this is where the reg plate sits under LED headlights. Remember to spray this part, because there's no point in spraying this part and then this part's not good. Okay, so I ran out of gloss black